The Pet 8171 SR Antique Glass Bottle. Hummingbird Feeder by Pet is a quality product designed to enhance your outdoor space and attract beautiful hummingbirds. Made of durable glass material, this feeder features an elegant antique design that adds a charming touch to any yard or garden. One of the standout features of this hummingbird feeder is its easy refill top, making it convenient to replenish the feeder with water and keep your hummingbird visitors happy. The freestanding mounting type allows you to place it anywhere in your outdoor area with ease. Measuring 5.51 inches in length, 5.49 inches in width, and 10.1 inches in height, this feeder has a decent capacity of 10 ounces, ensuring that you won't have to refill it constantly. The clear glass bottle allows you to monitor the nectar levels easily. Included with the feeder is the Leviton 80409 GUI Decora wall plate, 2 Gangan gray, adding a touch of sophistication to your setup. With a weight of 1.1 pounds.
As a product marketing expert with over a decade of experience, I am here to provide you with an insightful review of the Pennington Electronectar Hummingbird Food Ready. Crafted by Pennington, a renowned brand in the industry, the Electronectar Hummingbird Food Ready is a premium liquid food designed for hummingbirds of all life stages. The large 64.0 Fel Oz bottle ensures an ample supply to cater to your feathered friends' needs. One of the key highlights of this product is its special ingredient sucrose, which provides essential energy for hummingbirds. The formula is well balanced to meet the nutritional requirements of these delicate creatures, making it a reliable choice for bird enthusiasts. Moreover, the convenience of the ready-to-use liquid form eliminates the hassle of preparation, allowing you to effortlessly refill hummingbird feeders and keep your garden buzzing with activity. In conclusion, the Pennington Electronectar Hummingbird Food Ready is a top-notch product.
The Pet 8181 SR Antique Glass Bottle Hummingbird Feeder by Pet is an aesthetically appealing and functional addition to any outdoor space. Crafted with high-quality glass, this feeder is not only durable, but also adds a touch of elegance to your garden or backyard. Designed specifically for hummingbirds, this feeder is equipped to attract these delightful creatures, allowing you to enjoy their presence up close. The clear glass bottle makes it easy to monitor the nectar levels, ensuring that your tiny visitors never go hungry. Additionally, the vintage design of the bottle adds a classic charm to your outdoor area. The Pet 8181 SR Antique Glass Bottle Hummingbird Feeder is simple to fill and clean, making it a convenient choice for bird enthusiasts of all levels. Its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the vibrant red base and flowers further attract hummingbirds. Overall, this feeder offers a combination of elegance, functionality.
The 3055 32-ounce hummingbird feeder by First Nature is a top-quality product designed for hummingbirds, making it a perfect addition to your garden. Crafted from durable plastic, this feeder is both practical and long-lasting. One standout feature of this feeder is its leak-proof design, ensuring that you can enjoy watching hummingbirds without any mess or waste. Easy refill top feature makes it convenient to replenish water or seed, keeping your feathered visitors well-fed and hydrated. The hanging mount design allows you to place it anywhere in your outdoor space, attracting hummingbirds to your garden effortlessly. With a capacity of 32 ounces, this feeder can hold up to 2 pounds of seeds, accommodating the feeding needs of hummingbirds without the hassle of constant refilling. The included hook makes it easy to hang and display the feeder in your preferred location. Measuring at 2L into 2W into 5H and weighing only 6.4 ounces, this feeder is lightweight and compact.
The 993091 546 16 ounces Hummingbird Flower Feeder by First Nature is a top-quality product designed to attract hummingbirds to your garden or outdoor space. Crafted from durable plastic, this feeder is specifically tailored to cater to the needs of hummingbirds as the target species. One of the standout features of this hummingbird feeder is its easy refill top, making it convenient for users to replenish the nectar without any hassle. The hanging mount allows for versatile placement options, enabling you to hang it in a location that hummingbirds frequent. Measuring at 17 inches in length, 12.25 inches in width, and 6 inches in height, this feeder provides ample space for hummingbirds to feed comfortably. The vibrant red color is attractive to hummingbirds, further enhancing the appeal of this feeder. With a lightweight design of 0.4 pounds or 6.4 ounces, handling and maintaining the feeder is effortless. Manufactured by First Nature in the USA, you can trust in the quality and reliability